Here are 5 ways that can help you make money. 1. Freelancing. You can use your skills such as writing, design, translation, or programming to offer your services through freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. 2. Selling products or goods. You can sell products online using sites such as Amazon or Souq.com, or through social media. You can also sell handmade products or used clothes in good condition. 3. Investment. Invest your money in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate, provided that you learn the basics of investing well to reduce risks. 4. Create content online. If you are interested in creating content, you can start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast, and earn money through advertising or sponsorships. 5. Part-time job. Finding a part-time job, such as working in stores or restaurants or tutoring, can be an additional source of money. Choose the method that suits your skills and circumstances, and start with small steps to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the content and benefited from it, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to support us and follow more upcoming videos. And share your opinions or inquiries in the comments. We always love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and until then, good luck.